Network Entertainment.
Hi, I'm JB.
And I'm Ella. At ito ang Kwentong Callroom, powered by the Pod Network. Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's. Alam mo, na-curious ulit ako. Pag na-record ko ba to,
Ano?
meron na kaya?
Oh my God.
Pag pinlay kaya to, meron kaya? May hahabol kaya?
Pero naalala mo, one Valentine single ka. Ako yung nagbigay sa'yo ng flowers.
Yeah.
So you never
Hindi
have...
pa meron namang kanta ng si Miley Cyrus.
Ano?
Yung By Myself.
Meron na nun. Ano yon? Kaya nung birthday post mo, one time, yun yung music mo dun sa post. Kasi ako bumili for you ng flowers.
Ito yung pinadeliver nyo na Miss Besa.
Iba pa yun, may jowa ka na nun.
Iba pa ba yun?
Oo, may binigay pa ako nang wala ka pang
Pero
jowa.
same supplier.
Hindi ko maalala. Basta 3 times. Wow, talagang bilang. Thrice na. So, you don't ever have to worry about Valentine's. I'm always here.
Pero parang okay din naman makatanggap from
Ay, wow.
So,
sorry.
sobrang
Pasensya
hindi
na
ko na
kung-
siya enough.
Pasensya na kung hindi ako sapat. Oo, pero alam mo, feeling ko may nag-iisip pa din na tayo.
Ha?
Oo.
Pwedeng pakidebunk na natin. Paano ba ide-debunk yun?
Parang metformin lang. hindi pa rin matanggal-tanggal.
Oo.
Pero, happy Valentine's,
Happy
besh.
Valentine's.
Oo. Pero, as with a lot of episodes this month, puro pag-ibig.
Oo. Marami na tayo na-explore na iba-ibang aspects at iba-ibang permutations.
Through the years, no?
Oo. Showbiz, non-showbiz.
Pati different stages in the love life.
Oo. Situationship.
Dating.
Breakup.
Marriage.
Oo,
Ganyan.
may married, no?
Oo.
Doctors.
Yes.
Pero parang hindi pa natin masyadong na-explore. Kasi ako, yung dalawa ko out of X number ay LDR.
Talaga?
Oo.
Ayun nga, no? Oo.
For a time.
Yes, oo nga. Tapos pareho silang hindi doktor.
Oo.
Yeah, okay. Sa ating dalawa, ikaw yung mas
Non-showbiz.
Oo. Pero, yung first boyfriend ko ay non-showbiz din.
Oo.
Kung
Kasi high
nakikinig
school
ka,
pa kayo dun eh. Pareho kayo non-showbiz.
Oh, ay, oo.
Hindi ba?
Naputan niya akong showbiz.
Okay.
Oo. Or
Yes.
at least-
Pumasok naman sa pag-artista.
Oo. Pero, kumbaga, mas mahirap for us dahil sa circle of friends natin, mas mahirap for us makakausap ng mga non-showbiz. nga.
Pero bakit nga ba puro non-showbiz yung sa akin? Hindi ko rin
Ewan,
alam.
Di ba sabi mo preference mo din?
Sinabi ko ba yun?
Yes, oo. Wag mo
Pero
akong doubt.
Pero ngayon okay naman na. Wow, nanawagan.
So pwedeng showbiz.
Okay lang. Parang wala namang kaso.
Sabi mo yung last mong ka-showbiz na date ay yung friend pa natin.
Pero ngayon na-remind ako, hindi pala.
Tignan mo.
Di ba?
Landi-landi.
Si
Sino
ano?
pa?
Pero hindi nag-workout.
Sino
Diba,
yun?
both din naman di nag-workout.
Sino to? Ay, yeah.
Di ba? Pareho
I didn't-
nga sila ngayon ng resident.
I don't-
Ay, di ba, ng field?
Oo, I didn't like him. Ay!
Okay.
Okay. Pero ngayon,
sige, oo.
meron na tayong guest na
Oo.
makausap natin about the side of the relationship na ikaw yung, kumbaga ikaw yung, di ba lagi sinasabi yung boyfriend yung mag-a-adjust or girlfriend mag-a-adjust kapag
Oo.
doktor yung jowa, ganyan. Pero gusto natin marinig side nila.
Oo. Mamaya sabihin puro na lang yung side ng
Oo,
doktor.
may ganito kasi tayo before, pero yung doktor yung kausap natin.
Oo.
Ngayon, tignan natin.
Yes.
So, mangangalkal tayo ng love life ngayon.
Yes.
But before that,
We are Kwentong Callroom Podcast.
we're best friends and doctors and our goal is to demystify and humanize medicine. So, sa mga listeners na nandyan na ever since, Happy Valentine's. This isn't the first Valentine's episode and we've talked a lot about love life, about relationships here on the pod. So, I hope you continue tuning in and subscribing, liking, all the things. Thank you po.
At sa mga new listeners, feeling ko na curious kayo kung paano ba jumowa ng doktor
Yes.
na may extra challenge pa na LDR.
Yes. And,
Di ba?
And parang, or baka may natitipuhan silang doktor.
Grabe yung natitipuhan. Sobrang boomer no. Natitipuhan.
Hindi naman yun boomer.
The parts,
OA ka!
na machismo society of natitipuhan. Di ba?
Ay, tuloy mo na yan.
Sige. So yun, so feeling ko curious ka, kaya ka na pa-click sa episode na to. So maganda yan. Na-curious ka. At marami pa kami iba-ibang episode about love, about
Relationships.
doctors in general. Itong episode na to, pinagsama namin ng Love at Doctor. So, so tune in lang. Maghanap kayo ng episode na for you. Ano pa?
At,
Subscribe, hit the bell button para ma-notify every Monday 5 p.m.
and kausapin nyo lang kami kasi di kami nangangagat, ganyan.
Oo.
So, tawagin na natin
Tawagin
siya.
na natin siya.
Enter, so, siya
Sino ba siya?
ay a friend of the network. Yan.
Oo.
Siya ang
Sound engineer.
Ganda.
Diba?
I love it.
He engineers sounds.
Natawagin na natin. Pasok ka na, Ivan.
Oh, di ba?
Hello!
Naka-jacket pa siya.
I love it. Talagang on-brand tayo
Official.
dyan.
Para naman presentable yung itsura ko dito.
Presentable naman.
Oo
Sabi
nga.
ka.
Hello.
Di naman tayo others. Hello. Pakilala ka naman sa kanila.
Hello, I'm Ivan. Ako yung senior sound engineer dito sa The Pod Network. Isa ako sa mga nag-edit ng show nila.
Oh.
Yeah.
Salamat.
Kung meron mang sawang-sawa na sa boses mo, Ella May, siya na yun.
Sorry. So, thank you.
Thank you.
Actually, natuwa nga ako kasi parang lagi niyang binabanggit nga na, yung girlfriend niya, doktor,
Oo,
ganyan.
pag may mga episode tayo,
Oo,
di ba?
natuwa.
Nabanggit niya.
So ngayon, kausapin ka na namin.
Okay,
Pero
sige.
dahil ikaw nag-edit ng episodes, alam mo na tong part na to, mag-rapid rounds muna
Okay,
tayo. Okay,
sige.
so may
Ready
ready
na
ka na.
siya,
Oo.
nag-review.
I love it. So, ta-timing natin. Fast talk lang kung ano una mong maisip. Okay?
Okay.
Mag-go ka.
1, 2, 3, go.
Beach o bundok?
Bundok.
Iced coffee, hot coffee?
Hot coffee.
Mahal mo, mahal ka?
Mahal ko.
Lights or sounds?
Sounds.
Work from home or face-to-face?
Work from home.
Love language na gusto mo ma-receive?
Acts of service.
Love language na palagi mong binibigay?
Acts of service.
Aww, sunrise or sunset?
Sunset.
Nag-aaway kayo ng girlfriend mo pero gabi na. Papalipasin yung kinabukasan o di matutulog hanggat hindi naaayos?
Papalipasin.
Hardest part of an LDR?
Ew.
Oh, juicy.
Juicy na agad.
Bakit?
Hardest part daw. Ano? Brief lang.
Time.
Time.
Ito
Okay.
naman. Hardest part of having a doctor as a partner?
Time.
Unpack natin yan. Comfort food.
Lasagna.
LSS mo ngayon.
Black Hole Sun by Soundgarden. I'm not sure if...
Maui-Waui.
Akala ko yung mawi-mawi. Yun yung akin
Ako yun eh. Ako yun eh.
Kapag nag-aaway kayo ng girlfriend mo, sinong unang nagsasorry?
Ako.
Describe your most memorable date in 2 words.
Unforgettable moments.
Flowers or chocolate?
Flowers.
Kapag di kayo magkasama, paano kayo nag-uusap? Message, audio call, or video call?
All of the above.
Ay, wow! Ang girlfriend ko ay blank.
Maganda.
Love advice para sa mga naka-LDR.
Huge amount of patience.
Best part of having a doctor partner.
Free health advice.
To be fair, medyo unique naman talaga yun.
Totoo naman yun.
Yeah,
Oo.
oo.
Lalo na dito sa bansang na mahal-mahal na
Yes,
magkasakit. Okay.
Very true. Oo.
So, salamat sa ating
Thank you.
fast talk.
Thank
I
you
think
also.
ready ka naman for
Yeah.
the
Hindi kasi nung isang episode natin, meron tayong gines na about nagde-date ng doktor. Parang tumaas siya ng kamay from the
Oo,
screen.
me, ganyan.
From the ganon. Sabi ko,
Oo.
okay.
Okay.
I-guess na.
So, kwento mo naman, paano ba na-meet itong
Oo nga.
girlfriend mo?
Actually, high school sweethearts kami. So, we got together nung high school. After 1 year, we broke up.
Ay.
And then, 9 years kaming walang contact. And then, 3 years ago, she messaged me again.
Ay.
Wow.
So,
Out of
ayun.
the blue?
Out of the blue.
Anong sabi?
Parang, oh, hey, sorry for how we...
Sorry, late reply. 9 years ago.
9 years ago.
SLR.
So, ayun, sorry siya on how we left things and kung paano kami
Okay.
nag-break. And then, ayun, doon na ulit nag-snowball into what we have right now.
Yung 9 years na wala kayong usap kasi hindi mo alam anong ginagawa niya, ganon.
Yeah.
So yung breakup hindi masyadong okay?
Hindi. As in, very sudden. As in,
Oh my God.
and syempre, bata pa kami nun, through text, ko nakuha yung breakup na yun.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Or something. Yung text na ano. Ay, hindi yung friend natin.
Friend natin, email.
Email.
Oo.
I hope this finds you well. Sincerely.
Pero ganun din yung akin in the sense na high school and then nag-break kami. Pero walang sorry late reply na nangyari. Pero kayo, parang hindi mo alam nun na nag-doctor siya, ganyan.
No, I know she was heading to that track kasi yung pre-med niya ay bio.
Oh.
Sa La Salle Dasma.
Okay,
Hala,
okay.
baka schoolmate ko pala yan.
Uy, oh my God, baka kilala mo to.
Oo nga.
Tapos, parang ano na-feel mo nung nag-message siya ulit?
Siyempre, sobrang... Kasi, nag-record... tanda, I remember that night very, very clear. 2018, may FIFA World Cup game kasi noon. Tapos, sakto kasi sa wards nila,
Okay.
may libreng room doon, tapos may screen doon na naka-play yung FIFA. Kakatapos na namin mag-record ng Cool Pals sa lumang studio sa Silver City.
Okay.
Oh my
So
God.
as we were packing up, tapos nakita ko, parang, may nag-text, biglang nakita ko yung pangalan, parang,
Ay.
Ay!
totoo ba yan?
Oh my God!
Sabi ko, oh.
But you still have her
Paload.
number? Or sa messenger ba to?
Messenger, but I didn't have her number, pero surprisingly, memorize ko pa yung number niya at that time. Yeah.
Grabe dati nung memorize natin mga number ng mga tao. Ngayon, hindi ko alam number ng mga tao.
Ako hanggang number ko lang.
Alam ko number mo.
Grabe
Oh,
nakakatakot.
mas alam ko number mo kaysa number ng jowa ko. So, tawag dito, friends pa ka, or I mean, Facebook friends or anything?
Facebook friends, yeah.
pero no communication at all.
Yeah, none.
At what point na siya in her medical journey nito, nung nag-reconnect kayo?
Rotations na siya.
Baka fourth year, no?
Fourth year.
Hindi pa siya doctor na.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa,
Fourth
hindi
year.
pa.
Fourth year pa siya.
So ano yun? Nag-usap ulit kayo?
Nag-uusap-usap ulit kami, yeah. And then, parang, after a while, like, it was so smooth kasi, it's as if na we just picked up where we left off. Ganun kadali yung usapan namin.
Kinikilig ka.
Medyo.
Grabe yung ano niya, no?
May glow.
Pero curious ako, bakit niya naisipang
Oo.
mag-message sa'yo at that time, moment?
Ano meron ng FIFA World Cup?
Oo nga.
Kasi tanda niya na, actually, for the longest time daw, she has been wanting to message me to say sorry nga. Sakto lang, meron siyang opening nga kasi may FIFA at mahilig ako sa football. So parang, okay, might as well take this chance.
Parang yung ano, sa mga bakla, yung Miss Universe, miss you. Hindi, Miss Universe.
May ganun pala kayo.
Oo, may ganun.
Okay. Pero buti wala kang partner noon, you weren't dating anyone.
Kakatapos ko lang makipag-date with someone, but like, ayaw ko na siya.
So yung 9 years, walang someone na naging kayo sa interval?
No, I haven't found anyone up. I guess medyo mali din kasi na ginawa ko siyang pedestal. Because at that time, talagang siya yung first love ko rin nung high school na
Siya
yun.
yung standard.
Siya yung naging standard ko. Kasi nga, ang sobrang dali namin makipag-usap talaga. It was really smooth. So like, other encounters back in college, parang,
In fair, wow.
I mean, again, it's not a good thing na you're putting her in a pedestal na siya yung naging standard ko.
True.
Pero kasi parang, ang dali eh. So,
Parang it felt the easiest,
yeah.
the most comfortable.
Yeah.
Kaya parang nag-fall together. So,
Yeah.
ang intention talaga yun was to date again.
No. Ang intention nga lang talaga was to reconnect and like, amend things between us
Ako
talaga.
naniniwala. Feeling ko may something talaga kaya nag-reconnect.
So, ayun. But like, eventually nga, parang old feelings were reborn. Tapos, ayun, balikan kami eventually. And at this time, she was still in Cebu. Nasa Cebu pa siya
Taga
nun.
Cebu talaga siya? Or
No,
dun siya na...
dun siya nag-med proper.
Okay.
Sa CIM.
Ang galing. So, paano yun? Nag-usap lang talaga? Kasi nasa
Usap
Cebu siya
lang.
eh.
Usap lang talaga. And then, yun nga, eventually nalaman ko na she's coming back nung time yun, like, uwi daw siya for a week. So, nung kami nakita for the first time after 9 years, along with her parents, I mean, her mom and her sisters. Kasi,
Kilala ka na, di ba?
yeah.
Itong high school pa lang.
Yeah. Magkakilala na kami. So,
Wala, kinikilig ako. Parang ito yung magandang not all second time arounds
Oo
work
nga,
out.
very
Yeah.
second chance.
Oo.
Yeah.
Oo, parang kay John Lloyd yun, di ba?
Oo.
Second
one more chance.
oo.
Second.
so yun, parang it made me realize na parang, I guess, hindi lang talaga ready back then. But ngayon, parang mas iba na yung ugali namin, mas matured na yung pag-iisip namin.
Parang right person, wrong time nung high school.
Yeah, exactly.
okay.
Ganon.
So, sabi mo kanina, nung the first time around, gusto niya mag-doktor. Tama
Yeah,
ba?
oo.
And then, when you reconnected, on the way to being
On
a
the
doctor
way na siya nun. Yeah, on the way na siya nun. Ang hirap makisabay.
Talaga? How was that?
Kasi nga unang-una, you have to learn the terms. And yung scheduling,
Okay.
pre-shift,
Post.
post, from prev.
sa kanila. May ganun
Oo
din
nga,
pala,
may
may
prep
prep.
na ngayon, no?
Oo.
So parang like, ano to? So, and papago-bago siya palagi.
Oo.
So ayun, yeah. It was tough. Kasi nga din, syempre, magkakausap lang kayo pag libre siya. So, talagang, it's waiting game talaga siya eh.
So, may mga late replies, ganyan. Oo.
Which, I mean, it's okay. I understand naman kasi na yun yung trabaho niya eh. And it's obviously you would always have to give time to talaga na
Wait, so kailan, di ba, nag-reconnect kayo? How long bago naging kayo ulit?
1 year.
Oh!
Yeah.
Okay.
Um,
Tagal din.
We were not officially yet, pero we were dating na ulit when she was studying for boards.
Ay, mahirap yun
wow, board exam, in fairness.
Sabi nila pag boards, dapat hindi gumagalaw yung relationship or any ano mo.
O yung status mo, di nagbabago.
Single, kung kayo-kayo. kung
Pero marami akong kilala.
Dumande.
Nangyari yun. Ngayon, may anak na. Oh.
Well, what I did kasi back then with her was, nag-ano siya eh, tutor.
Review center.
Review center siya.
Center,
I forgot where, pero it was in, malayo siya eh.
sa Cebu din.
No.
Ano,
Dito,
San Juan.
Dito na sa
dito
Manila.
San Juan
Baka yung sikat.
Malapit sa Green Hills.
Baka yung sikat na review center.
Malapit sa Green Hills,
Yeah,
yes.
that one. So,
Starts with the letter T.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Ayaw natin sabihin. Ayaw advertise.
Oh, okay.
So what I would do is sakto kasi since yung may mga dates na nagla-line up yung pasok ko dito at yung review schedule niya. So susundin ko siya ng madaling araw sa kanila and then I'll drive her to the review center and I'll go to work na. And then pupuntahan niya ako sa office and then sabay kami I'll bring her back home.
Grabe yung sundo, no?
Oo, alam ko.
Pa-experience. Pa-experience yung sinusundo.
Pangarap ko talaga yun. Yung
Kasi madaling araw pa. Hindi, wag naman madaling
yun.
araw. Okay na yung sundo.
Pero pangarap ko talaga yun, yung sunduin ka.
Passenger princess, no?
Oo, saya.
Yung
Hindi
next-
ko na pangarap pag-drive ngayon. Pangarap ko na maging passenger. Ang sweet mo naman.
And then
Acts of service talaga siya.
tinutulungan ko siya sa pag-review. So she would
Paano?
she would give me questionnaires.
Okay.
I'll just questionin ko siya. Like talagang
Napapamiliarize ka na rin. I mean, syempre, alam mo na rin pronounce, pero yung
Yeah.
whole concept.
yeah. Onte. So ayun. That was fun. I mean, masaya.
Tsaka
siya.
nakapasa naman siya, di ba?
Obviously, nakapasa siya.
Kasi ako, believer talaga ako. Hindi hadlang ang love life, basta tamang love life.
Yeah.
Yes!
Yeah.
Totoo siya, sinabi niya.
So, nung naging doctor na siya, how did things change naman?
Well, syempre residency na.
Dire-diretso ba siya after boards residency na siya?
Yes. After, I mean, I guess a couple of months na pahinga.
Okay.
And then since yung time for yung residency season, doon na siya nag-a-apply sa Cebu. Yung first attempt niya was surgery.
Okay.
Medyo madali-dali pa yung ano namin nun eh. Yung how we would handle things. Ayun nga, again, lots and lots of patience ang kailangan.
Pinag-usapan niyo ba, like, parang nag-usap kayo about her choice of residency?
Yes. She would ask me, like, I would ask her, oh, so ano yung plano mo? I'm thinking of surgery. So I would research, okay, surgery, blah, 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 blah.
Oh, you're like that.
Tapos,
Nakakatuwa.
and then, kinakausap ko rin yung mga iba kong friends na doktor na. Parang, oh, kamusta ba yung sa surgery na ganito? Dyan, sure ba siya dyan? Sabi yung, mukhang sure naman. And then, yeah, I mean, I tell her what I do kasi I give her the pros and cons.
Okay.
Then siya na bahala mag-decide. Tapos yun, whatever you decide, go lang. I support.
Oh.
So, ayun, naranasan ko siya na surgery and ang hirap.
Yeah, kasi di nakaka-uwi.
Hindi na siya nakaka-uwi. And then, ayun nga, like, what we do kasi to have the feeling na magkasama kami is we would always video call. Even if di kami nag-uusap.
Oo, parang naka-on lang siya.
Naka-on lang siya.
ganyan.
Like, while I
Okay.
work, while she works. Ganon. Tapos, I also visit her once every 2 months.
Okay. Sa Cebu.
Lumilipad ako papunta sa Cebu once every 2 months.
Okay.
And then I'll stay there for a week. Tapos ayun. Eventually, talagang di niya kinaya. She stopped. Went back here. And then, dun na siya ulit nag-decide na parang, okay. She tried mag pre-rest dito sa Manila a couple of times.
Still surgery?
No. Surgery sa LPGH.
Okay.
And then, nag-e-med sa PGH.
Okay. Oh, baka kilala ko pala. Ay.
Hindi siya tanggap.
Oo.
So, parang, okay, there's nothing going on here. So, okay, I'll go back to Cebu.
Okay.
Siyempre, malungkot.
Aww.
And then, dun na siya nag-OB.
Mahilig ako makinig ng podcast. Eh, ikaw?
Mahilig ako gumawa ng podcast.
Buti na lang, may podcast na ang Spits!
Yay! Ano yung mga topic natin, guys?
Julius Babaw.
Oh, wow.
Isang team tayo.
Ooh.
Kung friends ba talaga tayo o hindi.
Kung papasok tayo sa bahay ni Kuya.
Favorite ko rin yung pinag-usapan natin yung origin stories natin.
At saka origin ng mga games.
Yes. Kaya tara, let's makinig na kayo sa Tawa Let's with Spit in partnership with the Pod Network. Makinig kayo sa amin. Spit Manila. Spit.
So, which is actually, mas bawas na ang talking time namin sa OB.
Even more nung ubi na.
Mas lalo
Okay.
nabawasan.
Okay,
Pero
okay.
yun nga, again, what I understand kasi from other people na nababasa ko sa Reddit,
Reddit talaga yung
Oo.
source of ano, no?
The source of truth in the
Candid,
universe.
ano,
Yeah.
unfiltered.
na ayun nga, parang for them it doesn't work, especially if LDR. Tapos parang ayun nga, ang bigat kasi ng weight na doctor shot. So, yung kagaya ng previous episode with yung friend mo na parang yung feeling niya, di niya ma-explain yung problems niya sa tao kasi nga parang mas mabigat yung problema niya. We don't think that way. More
Okay.
on, we put a pin on something. Tapos once na libre na siya, and libre na ako, doon na namin siya papag-usapan.
Pinapark.
Pinapark
Parang
namin siya.
pag may na-identify kayong issue, kailangan i-table siya at some
Yeah.
time. Okay.
But ayun nga, kasi syempre, I mean, you wouldn't want to talk to someone na pagod coming from a really hectic shift.
Sabi mo nga kanina, papalipasin nyo muna. Kasi emotions, exhaustion is high.
Exactly.
Ganyan.
So ayun nga, and you need to like talk about the hard topics talaga.
Okay.
So like, ayun nga, syempre yung discrepancy ng work namin, obviously doctor siya and ako, I'm here. We, as in like really very, very realistic and practical questions in life na okay, pag nagkatuluyan tayo, saan tayo magsistay? So ako, sabi ko, depende ko saan ka mag-practice. So,
nagkakaganong conversations
yeah.
na kayo.
And then I've also considered moving there. And sabi naman niya, I wouldn't want it to move here if wala kang nahanap na magandang trabaho. So,
Baka magka-Cebu branch naman to.
actually, yun yung pinapush ko. Sakto,
Major ano rin naman ng Cebu.
sakto magkaka-workshop nga kami dun eh.
Oh, ayan na. It's
So,
a
ayan na,
sign.
it's falling into place.
So sabi ko, anyway.
May friend din kami na, hello,
Ayaw
shoutout
nga.
sa'yo. Kasi nag-approach siya to Cebu.
Yes.
Okay naman siya
Natuto
ngayon.
siya, ano siya, pareho silang doktor. Kinuwento talaga yung friend. Pareho silang doktor, tapos nag-aral talaga siya ng salita. Kasi magko-consult siya, so hindi pwedeng mag-adjust yung pasyente sa kanya. So, medyo marunong na siya ngayon.
And nga, thankfully nga, I mean, with my girlfriend, she was there na for like many years na. So talagang, she learned the language.
the
Pero
language
kasi,
na.
med school
pero kasi yung siya, may accent pa rin na taga Manila siya eh. So,
Medyo mahirap nga yung
Yeah.
accent talaga.
So ayun, ito kami na ngayon.
How long na kayo?
A year and a half. Yes. No, sorry, 2 years and a half.
Ay, okay. Parang,
2 years and a half.
Parang nagmamasa ko in my head. Tama ba?
Yeah, 2 years and a half.
Galing. So, I wanna know, ano yung mga usual source of away?
Very petty.
Okay.
Sobrang yung very, very petty. Actually, hindi nga away eh. Bihira kami mag-away. Kasi nga, we
Okay.
really talk things out talaga eh.
Or sige, ano yung mga pinipin nyo na issues usually?
Time.
Okay.
Like, okay, hey, I feel like nababawasan na yung oras natin for each other. Pero, we both acknowledge something na, okay, may mali ako at may mali din siya. So, what can we do to fix it? Tapos, if wala kaming mahanap, we park it. And then, bablikan namin once na we find a solution.
Mature, no?
Oo
Sobrang
nga,
mature na
mature
ba?
nyo.
Sige, let's spark this issue.
Galing! Tsaka tama nga, parang it takes a while for you to reach that kind of
Yeah.
maturity.
Kaya nga, that's why, this relationship wouldn't work, especially if LDR kami. Since LDR kami, this wouldn't work if hindi kami matured.
Walang point na muntik na kayo mag-break.
No. Wala.
Talaga.
Ang hirap ng LDR kasi parang hindi siya for everyone. Kasi
Oo.
iba
It
gusto
isn't.
talaga love language.
It isn't
physical
talaga.
touch,
Yeah.
quality time na face-to-face.
Yes.
Diba?
So how do you handle those? Like sabi mo isa video call kahit na walang
Yeah.
ano pa, do you set aside a specific time
Oo nga.
na mag-uusap kayo or
So far, wala na eh. Kasi pag nasa bahay siya, inuuwi niya yung trabaho niya eh. So, wala. I mean, we talk na lang talaga whenever we can. And then, basta we know na sa isa't isa namin na we would reply no, like regardless on how long it would take.
Basta every message gets a reply.
Yeah.
Ganyan.
Kasi
Okay.
nga, I get kasi yung nature of work niya eh. So parang doon ko rin naisip parang, pucha, ang daming nabubuntis pala sa Pilipinas.
Totoo yan. Yung parang akala mo,
Grabe.
meron pa? May mga anak na naman? Ganun talaga.
Tapos tinanong ko, ilan na ba yung na-deliver mong babies? Sabi niya, naka-10 na ako. Like, 10 babies ang in one day. Like, pucha, ang daming na
Tapos hindi mo yan, hindi mo yun hawak, hindi mo control yun.
Hindi.
Bigla na lang may darating. Wala namang schedule.
Parang ang sarap sabihin na, pucha, kumalma naman kayo.
Lalo na kapag ano nga ba, may mga Scorpio, November, ganyan. Kasi February nabubuo. Parang
May
ganun.
mga, tsaka December.
Oh,
Marami
actually,
na nabubun
nga,
December.
Eksakto. Kasi yung busiest month nga was last month and this month.
Oo, ganyan
Kasi
talaga.
parang, okay. So I guess, yeah.
Yeah, it really happens.
Yeah, it does. Kaya parang, damn, parang, parang hindi ko ma-fathom yung amount of babies na lumalabas every single day.
Kaya yung population natin, di ka na nagugulat.
And that's just one hospital. What more pag... Wala, sorry. Ako. Pero, anyway, yun lang.
Ano pa yung mga ganyan mo? Yung mga nagulat ka na ganito pala and things that you learn only through your girlfriend's experience about the medical field, about health in general.
OB related.
Sige, go.
Nagtanong kasi ako sa kanya na medyo dirty.
Okay.
Nagtanong ko siya na, so have you ever experienced yung mabahong...
Oo.
Sabi, yeah. Is it because of health or is it because of hygiene? Both daw. Parang, damn, may ganun talaga. And then, syempre, I'm not sure if na-usapan sa previous episodes, but yung during her rotation kasi, talagang may ugali or stereotype per department. Parang, okay, so totoo talaga yun na may ganun. Especially sa surgery daw.
Okay.
What else? Nepotism exists heavily.
Yeah.
in
Politics
med.
is everywhere.
Very,
Oo.
sobra.
Grabe.
Actually, niyaya rin mag-doctor eh. Ba't tayo mag-doctor? Sabi ko,
Para bang bibili lang.
sabi ko, because there are many things na I don't understand why.
Okay.
Like parang, okay, so may papasok na pasyente, may sakit, di nyo alam kung bakit. Next thing you know, magaling na siya.
Parang wala kang ginawa, parang out of your control.
Yeah, parang I don't like that. Parang I don't like not knowing why.
I used to think that when you're in medicine, there's a lot of certainty. But in fact, there's so much uncertainty.
Sobra.
As in parang, ay, akala ko alam ko na lahat, hindi pa pala.
Oo, marami kasing gumagaling na hindi natin alam kung bakit.
Marami
Pero
din-
marami rin din namang namamatay na hindi rin
Yes.
natin alam kung bakit.
Parang okay na okay, biglang,
Yeah.
ay, wala na siya. Especially in OB kasi supposedly, most are well, it's a normal process, normal life. Kaya parang, when we had OB-GYNs here also in the pod, parang, sobrang big deal sa kanila kapag may morbidity, kapag may
Oo.
nangyayari. Kasi, parang papagalitan
Childbirth
talaga
is a
sila.
normal process eh, di ba?
Oo. Yeah. What else? I've also learned that doctors are the worst patients.
They are. We are.
Grabe, kasi yung, like, sabi nga, I have chest pains. Ba't ayaw magpa-check up? Wala akong oras.
Or sasabihin nila, okay lang to. Parang kasi, okay lang naman to.
nakakainis.
Or sipon lang to. Kaya ko pa to, ganyan.
Oo.
May illusion of invincibility.
There
ganyan.
is. Kaya parang, ayun. What else? Actually, a lot more, pero I just can't recall right now.
okay lang.
Pero marami.
Ang isa ko pang question ay, so not to push stereotypes, but
Ano?
a lot of people say na sumusungit sa OB. Naging ganun ba
Oo
girlfriend
nga.
mo?
No.
Oh, talaga. Good for her. See, hindi naman lahat nangyayari.
Wait, okay, sorry.
Ay.
Sumusingit towards who?
You.
Me? Hindi.
Wala. Hindi niya.
Nadadala.
Oo, hindi niya dadala sa'yo.
Hindi niya dadala.
May ganung mode
Okay,
na
okay.
Yeah,
switch.
hindi.
Oo.
Ayun naman. I mean, I guess the only time na nag-iiba yung ugali niya pag talagang sobrang ang lala ng shift. Yun lang, doon lang nag-iiba yung ugali niya towards me. Parang, like, nakatingala lang siya sa computer niya. Naggagawa ng admin work. Tapos bilang, okay, sige, I'ma let you be muna.
Sobrang understanding
Oo
mo,
nga.
no?
Very,
Oo.
yeah.
In fairness.
Very.
In fairness, people should learn to be you.
Oo nga.
Kasi that's a really hard place to be kapag
In
sobrang...
training.
Oo, in training
Gets ko
girlfriend
yung
mo.
doctor na consultant na parang mas less na yun. Pero yung in training,
Tas
med
LDR pa
student,
kayo.
LDR pa.
Okay. On your girlfriend's end, what are the things she does na nakakatulong to maintain the relationship. Kumbaga, I know a lot of the understanding comes on your end, but what does she do? Para sa mga doctors din who
Oo
are
nga.
in the relationship na this helps.
Minsan pinapadali ng pagkain.
Oh,
Yeah.
acts of service din siya.
Acts of service, yeah.
Okay.
Like out of nowhere, bigla na lang may kakatok sakit. Sir Ivan, ito pa pagkain.
Ako din, oh.
Ay, wow.
Nilagawa naman na sa akin yun, pero...
Ayun. Sending reels, memes.
True,
That's a big
memes.
deal,
Yeah, it's a big
no?
thing.
The
It's a big
sixth love
thing. Oo,
language.
it's a big thing. Yun mostly kasi again, I really understand kung ano yung work situation niya. So talagang once na hindi na siya nagre-reply, okay, gets ko. Hindi ko na siya makakausap. Ayun.
The fact lang na naisip ka throughout the day.
Yeah, exactly.
Oo. Parang may time naman siya na, like, naisip ka niya, sasend niya yun sa'yo. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tsaka I like that you both have so much faith in each other na, kunwari, di ka maka-reply or for some reason, hindi kayo makakapag-usap today.
Yeah.
Walang bad
Sobrang
blood.
important
Oo.
mo sa LDR talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi mo nakikita, hindi mo na mababantayan all the time.
I mean, plus besides kasi, yun nga, again, I'm also busy at work. I have nowhere else to go.
So it's at
Like, here, uwi na ako. So, same lang naman din. And if aalis mo, syempre, I'm going out here. Okay, sige.
Another common problem sa mga ganitong relationship is feeling minsan nung either the showbiz, non-showbiz ay hindi sila naintindihan. Nagkaroon ba kayo ng ganong difficulty na hindi niya gets yung work mo or di mo gets yung work niya? May ganun ba?
Ako,
Okay.
sometimes kasi pag, syempre, if she's experiencing something bad sa
Okay.
work, like, unang-una, like, how do you comfort someone na, kunyari, mayroon siyang namatayan na pasyente?
Oo nga.
Like, how do you comfort that someone na hindi alam kung ano nangyayari dun sa loob? Or rather, like, yung office politics.
Yan,
Like,
mga
how do
frustrations niya.
you comfort someone in medicine na wala kang rin alam sa nangyayari?
And wala kang magagawa.
And wala rin akong magagawa. And actually, yun yung isa kong major frustration. Wala akong magagawa in person kasi malayo ako.
Okay.
And ayun. And I guess the best thing that I did na lang was I tried to relate whatever I have in real life. Try ko siya gawin analogy to what she does.
Okay.
Yun na yung pinaka-closest at siguro yung best na pwede ko gawin. Yeah, that's probably it.
Is she able to get support elsewhere aside from you, ganyan?
Parents.
Okay.
And kasi introverted din siya.
Okay.
So I was like, you have to make doctor friends. Para may makarelate ka. And then thankfully nga enough, nung nasa surgery siya, sabi ko, ito yung go out, hang out.
Mag-ano kayo, mag-bond kayo,
Yeah.
ganyan. Yeah.
So,
Trauma share.
Yes.
Oh.
So ayun, thankfully nga, she has those people na finally. So
Oh, that's good.
it is nga.
At saka ang galing na parang hinahayaan mo rin siya to make friends with other people. Kasi parang ang laking aspect nung wala na nga masyadong time for you, pero at least you let her.
Kailangan eh. And we also respect na parang, okay, you have your own time, I have my own
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
So, we always have that. But like, at the end of the day, regardless naman, we'll always have time for each other naman. So,
I think the lesson also is, kunwari doktor ka,
Yeah.
hindi mo siya dapat iasa dun sa partner mo. Lahat ng support, lahat
Yeah,
ng coping mo. Kasi mahirap kapag feeling mo hindi ka na napapakinggan, but it's not really your partner's fault na
Yeah.
hindi niya nagigets yung sitwasyon mo.
Yeah, exactly.
No? So, it's really important to have other sources of support. Hindi
Yeah.
pwedeng isang tao lang. And also for those who have, yung on your end naman, wag mo rin, it's good that you didn't feel the need to shoulder her problems.
Yeah.
Na parang alam mo na, okay, alam ko may problem siya, but this is not the part where I can help. Kaya
Yeah.
mas maganda kung meron siyang
Yeah.
ibang sources. Diba? Parang,
Parang i-recognize yung limitations niya as a non-medical person na di talaga ako makaka-relate, hindi ko ipipilit.
that takes humility also.
Yeah.
Kasi syempre as the partner, you'd also want to be there, you'd want to be the source of comfort, pero we're also humans.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
hindi tayo perfecto din.
actually, tutulungan ko din siya sa mga paperworks niya. Although, I'm not sure if pwede ko yung sabihin.
Okay lang yun kasi dati yung jowa ko, hindi. Siya yung nagbabasa nung, well, ito, doktor naman siya. Siya yung nagbabasa ng mga forms for
Ayan ang
Tapos siya yung
bawal.
sorry. Or yung ex ko na non-showbiz, ang pinapagawa ko sa kanya nun, siya yung techie sa amin. So siya yung gumagawa ng mga poster, siya yung gumagawa
Nung med school mo? Nung med school ka?
college and med school, oo. Parang gumagawa ng mga poster, gumagawa ng mga editing ng video, ganyan. Pero nung nag-break kami, ako na lang. Natuto na rin
Syempre
naman
naman.
ako. Oo.
So, yeah, tutulungan ko siya sa mga paperworks niya. Like, yung Di kaso patient-related to yung paperwork. So baka...
Or
Pero
more of,
grabe
clerical
yung
things.
pero
Yeah,
grabe
yeah,
yung
yeah.
effort no na parang ano bang pwede kong maitulong?
Oh, it's not like siya yung nagtingin ng pasyente. Hindi naman
No,
ganun
syempre
eh.
naman.
More of clerical work
Yeah, yeah.
that
Yung
you
mga
took off her
remotely pwede
shoulders,
mong gawin.
ganyan.
As in talagang I always like, meron ba akong pwede maitulong sa'yo or what? So, ayun.
That's so, ganda, haba ng hair. I love it. Hindi, kasi acts of service nga talaga.
Yeah.
And I think that's a big love language for doctors in a very service-oriented
Diba?
field.
Madalan ka lang ng kape. Ang
beta,
nakakarupok.
Grabe, as in. Or yung ipag-drive ka nga,
Diyos
parang,
ko.
oh
Yes.
my God. Yes to everything. Yes to all. Grabe. So,
Totoo.
I guess ang hingin ko na lang sa'yo ay, sige, una, advice for those who are in showbiz, non-showbiz relationships, kung tawag. Na-offend ka ba sa term na yun? Showbiz
No,
na? Hindi.
actually, nung una nga, di ko like, when, nung na-mention sa akin ng girlfriend, parang, anong showbiz? Oh, may showbiz kang ka-work?
Si Annalyn. Si Annalyn.
So, like, doon nga na-explain, okay, so, yun pala yung term na doctor,
so-
non-doctor. Yeah.
Taas kasi ng showbiz talaga, no? So, what's your advice for relationships involving a doctor, not a doctor, or those na magkaiba yung work? How do you make it work?
I highly recommend na it takes two to tango.
Okay.
If hindi matured enough ang relationship nyo, it's not gonna work. If masyadong mataas yung ego mo, it's also not gonna work. You need to have a certain level of understanding na talagang magkakaroon there would be a point kasi na magsasacrifice ka na eh. So like me, what I'm sacrificing is I'm going there once every 2 months to spend time with my girlfriend. But yun nga, like again, you would really need to have a lot of patience and understanding for it to work. Especially if mahal mo talaga yung tao. So, ayun. And a lot of faith in one another is also very important. And yeah, yun.
So, siya na ba? Oo.
Actually, may ano na kami, may plans na kami. But things can't move kasi nga residency pa siya. And
Anong year na
LDR.
ba siya?
Magsa-second year na siya.
Isa pa yan eh, parang at least when you're in training, a lot of life milestones have to
Yeah.
adjust.
Go around
Kasi
it, yes. Oo.
ito, medyo mahirap talaga. Logistically, mahirap.
Magpakasal in the middle of a
Although
training.
it's been done ha.
Oo.
Kaso lang sobrang logistically difficult, especially with
Yeah.
an LDR
Yeah.
na okay, kahit pag gusto nyo magpakasal or kahit
Yeah.
set in stone na yung plans nyo. Pero kung nagte-train pa, medyo mahirap talaga.
It is. Kaya, I think, what we plan on was sa last year na residency niya.
Oh, ayan. Ano yan?
Pwede na, mas
Pwede,
pwede na.
yeah.
Kasi 4th year na siya nun eh. So, pwede na. And then, ayun. Babalik siya dito after her residency. She'll take her fellowship here in Manila.
Bongga.
So, ayun.
Welcome back. Ay,
Welcome back talaga.
So, sige, ito pampahappy na lang before we end. What are the good parts of having a doctor? Bukod sa may free health advice and all. Pero, ano ba? What are the pockets of joy that you derive from the relationship?
Actually, meeting her coworkers.
Really?
Oh. Masaya silang kuusap, especially if may mga katanong ako na outrageous.
Okay.
Tuwang-tuwa din naman kasi mga doktor pag nakakausap ng mga non-med. Parang
Kahit
medyo
tayo,
nakakasawa na parang puro med.
And especially kasi yung line of work ko, since nga I meet so many people
Oo nga.
and actual people in showbiz.
Oo.
So,
Ito talaga legit showbiz. Showbiz na lang atin.
so ayun, talagang interesting. And it's siguro mas interesting nga kasi nga taga Cebu sila.
Okay.
Very different lifestyle, very different environment. So mas masaya sila kuusap dun. What else? Well, I guess in a more practical sense, security then.
Okay.
Obviously, mas secured siya compared to me. So, I mean, ayun, I guess it's a good thing nga na if you're thinking about like having a life na talaga together, like again, one of the difficult conversation is sino yung magiging main income earner ng household. So we also discussed that, and then ayun nga, we both agreed on something na. So like, okay, I respect that, you respect that, okay, cool. So ayun.
Ganda ng usapan. Very
Oo
mature
nga.
na.
Gusto ko makisit-in.
Kumuha ng tips.
Ganito pala dapat. Parang galing.
Yeah.
Such a mature relationship.
Yes, ayun, it took a lot for it to be there. As in talagang may mga struggles syempre kasi parang early days nagtatampo ako na hindi ako pinapansin nito. Pag ganun parang
Buti na overcome mo yun.
Yeah, oo.
Kasi it would have easily gone south.
It could have easily gone south nga. So ayun, I guess those are my 3 main things: understanding, patience, and faith in one another.
Ang ganda. Pero alam mo, to be fair, these are things we can advocate for all relationships.
Yeah.
Oo naman,
Kasi-
applicable naman sa lahat.
Kaya lang naman ito yung topic kasi doktor kasi tayo, pero and pa main character. Pero kasi alam mo yun,
Kaya maganda yung tanong mo na different lines of work.
yeah.
Na magkaiba kayo ng mundo. Not necessarily MD, non-MD.
And relationships really are miraculously two people who get along despite being completely different.
Yes.
Yeah. Very night and day yung ugali namin.
Talaga, galing.
Sobrang night and day. Very night and day.
Ay, congrats. Kinilig lang. More power. Ay,
Oo nga.
Ano ba yun? Ay,
alarm,
hindi.
alarm na.
May nangyayari. And I think that's our signal.
Agree.
Oo. Ayan.
Sorry, akin pala yun.
Okay lang.
Ako naman din mag-edit eh.
Sabi ko, hindi ganun yung Apple. Pero thank you so much for sharing
Thank
your
you.
love
Thank
life.
you.
Ang saya. I'm so happy. I hope this...
Nakaka-inspire.
Yeah, yun nga. I hope this
Yung
serves as an
maturity, no?
inspiration na we tend to think na mag-date ka na lang ng doktor or wag ka mag-date ng doktor kasi masyadong mahirap. But apparently, it can work LDR pa.
LDR pa.
Diba?
Na para
Oo.
bang hindi sa patang busy na work.
And ano siya, parang it takes, as you said, takes 2 to tango, takes understanding on both ends na magkaiba yung work at magkaiba yung struggles pero kailangan pareho nyo silang hinaharap. Ang ganda.
Yep.
I love it. Oo. So, we hope you like this episode. Thank you. May gusto ko babatiin. Gusto mo siya batiin?
Ayaw doon niya sabihin yung pangalan niya.
Okay,
So,
okay lang
sure.
naman. Hi lang. Alam naman niya kung sino ka.
hello, my love.
My love.
Ikaw
Dabi
din.
ko.
Bati ka din.
Wala akong babatiin.
Okay. We hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this episode, please follow Kwentong Callroom Podcast on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. We drop new episodes every Monday, 5 p.m.
Follow us also on social media for more chika and updates. We're Kwentong Callroom Podcast on Facebook and YouTube, at Callroom Podcast on X, Instagram, Threads, and TikTok.
You can also join our Discord, tama ba? Server. Callroom Tambayan. Our official community server where you can join us at iba pang mga ka-callroom. We're so bad at this.
Each week, meron din tayo episode question that we post every Friday, 12 p.m. Makisagot sa question of the week to keep the conversation going.
At kung gusto nyo mag-submit ng questions, concerns, and chief complaints, open pa rin ang kwento mo sa Callroom, a Google form where you can submit your questions to us. If mapili yung kwento mo, pwede namin yan sagutin in one of our future episodes here on Kwentong Callroom Podcast. To submit, just click the link in our social media pages.
And if you want to reach us via email, you can reach us at kwentongcallroom@gmail.com.
Naka-inspire magmahal. Wow! So, we hope you enjoyed this episode. That I'm Ella.
And I'm JB.
And I'm Ivan.
And this has been Kwentong Callroom.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.